Hey, what's going on, graduates? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add an advanced announcement bar. Most stores, they come, well, rather most themes come with a, pretty basic limited announcement bar. And I know a lot of you are going to be like, well, the announcement bar is just there to put a little message. Well, you can do a lot more with your announcement bar. You can add timers, you can add multiple messages. Maybe there's more than one message you want to, display to your, online visitors. So today we're going to teach you how to do just that, and this should work on pretty much all themes. You may run into the hiccup here and there, but again, guys, as always, if you have any issues with anything that we teach you or offer you in these videos, just leave a comment below, and you can also reach out to us through our Facebook page, EcomGraduates, or you can join our group, EcomGraduates. Just search up both of those. You'll find them on Facebook. We also are working on an online platform that a lot of you will be able to join and get access to a lot of these snippets and these little code blocks that we offer. Now, some of you may notice that a lot of our free snippets, there is a price on them. And in most of our videos, we announce that, yes, these are free for now. And the reason why we say this is, we want to offer them free for the first loyal visitor or viewers rather to, come in, check our videos out, get the file, and use them on their store. And then we usually add like $1 to $3, maybe $5, for the price. And it's pretty cheap, considering that we go and make these videos. We also go and write this code for you to apply to your store. Where apps will charge you a monthly fee. This is a one-time purchase. It helps us support the channel and allows us to, upgrade our setups and provide higher quality content. We're trying to teach you how to add these options to your store so you can make more money. And let me tell you guys, our time isn't free, so we try our best to offer as much free value as possible. But anyways, without wasting more time, let me get right to it and show you how to do this. Now, you're going to need some sort of code editor. If you're on Windows, you can use Notepad. There's also Notepad++. There's VS Code. I personally use VS Code, and you'll be able to open this file up in VS Code, and that's what I'm using right now. So all you're going to need is the code right here, and you just highlight it all, copy it, and we're just going to go right to it. So as always, you'll end up in your store here. You're going to want to click on Online Store. And then once this loads, you're going to click on Edit Code. And then you're going to go, and let's just hide templates. We'll go right to sections, add a new section. We'll call this EG bar, whatever you want to call it. You can name it whatever you need. .liquid. Oh, no, you don't need .liquid. Sorry, a little tired. Great section. And we're just going to highlight all this. And now that we got the code here, we're just going to highlight all this, copy, highlight all that, paste, and we're just going to hit save. Now we named this EG bar, right? Now you're going to need to manually add this to your theme.liquid. You need to add it to theme.liquid. And what you will do is, where's the old announcement bar? There is another announcement bar here somewhere. There it is. So right here you have an announcement bar, right? Now we can just kind of, instead of having to type all this out, just paste this, and we'll just call this EG bar. EG bar. And that's it. Just hit save. And we don't have one right now. Well, you'll see a little black bar there. Now this is the old one. We can always hide this. And we're going to click Customize Theme right here. Nope. Why are my headphones trying to connect? Don't know why. So now we've got the announcement bar, and we also have the old announcement bar. So let's just go in and remove this block altogether. And we've got this announcement bar. Now we don't have any items, so we're just going to click Add Announcement and some cool message. All right, so we got some cool message. Now we're going to add another one, another cool message. And we can have things linked to it. We can go to our, our pages, contact page, and we'll hit save. Now, what we can do is we can add timestamps. Now, this uses a Unix timestamp, and we have a little link here to provide you help with understanding what Unix is and what a Unix timestamp is. So we're just going to click that, go into a new window, and we'll go get a date. So you want to end it on, what is it? Today is the 15th. Let's end it in a few days, right, on the 20th. We're just going to copy the Unix timestamp, and we're going to paste it in here. And you see an announcement. We'll hit save. Something's not right. What is not right? Maybe that's the timestamp. Convert. Oh, you know what? I was supposed to hit convert. I copied the wrong one. All right, so we're gonna copy this one. I make mistakes too, I'm human. So we go here and save, and there we go. And now it's counting down. Save, counting down days, the time, and the seconds. And you can adjust all kinds of things here. You can make it dark, and you can make this background white, and make the text white if you want. Or black rather. And voila, now you have sliding options. Now when it has a link, you got a little arrow here, but you don't have to use this timer. I mean, it's not mandatory. You can always disable it. If you want to disable it, just clear this out, that's it. And you can adjust the speed, the transition speeds. If you want these things to move faster or slower, you can do autoplay, you can hide the arrows, you can do a lot. You can adjust the padding, padding top, bottom, margin top and bottom as well. So there's really not much more to say about this, but it's a free for now, guys, free for now, but there will be a price on it. And you know, like I said, guys, it helps us support the channel. It's a very small fee, you know, so if you're watching this now and it just came out, and this gives you a reason to subscribe and like and comment, you know, because you will always get the files first and you'll get them for free. But after a few days or maybe a week or two, we'll go in and we will add a price. So again, guys, this is free for now, but there will be a fee on it afterwards. Usually around 2 weeks after we post the video. So if you want to get, you know, the files that we post first thing right away, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment with any questions or concerns or anything, any issues you might be having, and also give us ideas. We want to help you really kind of upgrade your stores so you can, you know, actually convert the traffic you're driving. Because the biggest issue we see in e-commerce is people are really good at driving traffic, but they're really bad at converting that traffic to paying customers. And we provide you the tools, the tips, the tricks on how to do that. You know, we're not a marketing agency, we're a development agency. That's what EcomGraduates is all about. And we help people convert the traffic that's already visiting their store. Rather than trying to teach you how to drive traffic, because it seems like everybody knows how to do this, we try to help you convert that traffic and, you know, make your allow your customers to be happy, keep, you know, being repeat customers, this and that. So anyways, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and, you know, click that little bell icon.